how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. Now, let's say you no longer want to have other people, including your friends and followers, to comment on the post that you have posted on your Facebook account. Now, in order for you to turn off comments on Facebook posts, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon right here and scroll down until you find a post that you want to turn off your comments with. So all you have to do, let's say right here, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here on the upper part of the post, and you are given an option that says who can comment on your post. So all you have to do is to tap on that, and now you can cater it to whoever audience you want it to be. It can be friends and established followers, or only your friends, or the people or pages that you have mentioned on this specific post. Let's say right here. Now, once you're done turning off that comments, all you have to do is to tap on done right here. And now you have turned off comments on Facebook posts. So that's how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. Hope we help.